You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest tech so you know exactly what's worth your attention. If you're into real reviews and future-ready insights, you're in the right place. The DJI Neo 2 is one of the most talked about upcoming drones right now. People have been waiting to see what DJI would do to improve the original Neo, and now, we're finally starting to get a clearer picture. If you thought the first Neo was good, what's coming with the Neo 2 feels like an entirely new chapter. DJI has been pushing boundaries in drone technology for years, and this time, they seem ready to surprise us again. The expected release date for the DJI Neo 2 is set for late 2025, with many industry insiders pointing toward the last quarter of the year. That means the wait isn't too long, and given DJI's usual launch schedule, it makes sense. The first Neo had a strong run, but tech moves fast, and DJI knows the competition is catching up. Now let's talk upgrades. This is where the Neo 2 is shaping up to be a serious leap. One of the biggest changes is the camera system. The first Neo had a solid setup, but the Neo 2 is expected to bring a larger sensor, rumored to be a 1-inch sensor, which is a massive step up. That means better low-light performance, sharper detail, and more dynamic range in every shot. Photographers and videographers will immediately notice the difference. DJI knows image quality sells, and this upgrade alone could convince many people to upgrade. Another upgrade that's generating a lot of buzz is the new flight time. The Neo 2 is expected to get close to 40 minutes on a single charge, which would beat the original Neo's battery life by a noticeable margin. Longer flight time is something every drone pilot wants. It means more freedom, less stress, and more creative opportunities without constantly watching the battery percentage drop. DJI has been improving battery efficiency across its lineup, and the Neo 2 seems to benefit from those improvements. And then there's the obstacle avoidance system. The first Neo had some basic sensors, but the Neo 2 is rumored to come with full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This is a huge deal because it makes the drone safer and more reliable. Beginners can fly with more confidence, and experienced pilots can push the limits knowing the drone has an extra layer of protection. Imagine flying through a dense forest, or close to buildings, and knowing the Neo 2 is actively watching every angle to keep you from crashing. That's the kind of smart technology DJI is known for, and it looks like it's coming here in a big way. The design of the Neo 2 is also expected to change slightly. DJI has been refining its foldable drones, and the Neo 2 should be slimmer, lighter, and easier to carry. Portability has always been a key factor for creators, especially those who travel a lot. If the Neo 2 can deliver professional performance in a body that's easy to slip into a backpack, it will check a lot of boxes. DJI seems to understand that drones aren't just tools anymore, they're companions for adventures. Connectivity is another area where we'll see major progress. The Neo 2 is set to support O4 transmission, DJI's latest system, which promises stronger, clearer, and more reliable video feeds. With O4, pilots can expect up to 20 kilometers of range with ultra-low latency. Even if most users won't fly that far, the reliability of the signal makes a huge difference. It means fewer dropouts, cleaner video, and a more stable flying experience. And let's not forget about video resolution. The Neo 2 is expected to shoot 5.7K video at 60 frames per second, which is a huge leap over the previous model. Content creators are going to love the flexibility this brings. You can crop, reframe, and edit without losing detail. The higher resolution also makes the footage more future-proof. With 4K being the standard right now, 5.7K gives you breathing room for years to come. DJI is also said to be working on upgraded intelligent flight modes. The Neo 2 will likely feature Active Track 6.0, which is smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. It can lock onto subjects, predict movements, and follow them even through tricky environments. This opens up endless creative possibilities, whether you're filming a mountain biker tearing down a trail, a car driving along a winding road, or just capturing family moments at the park. Another big improvement is in the storage department. The Neo 2 is expected to come with larger built-in storage, possibly up to 32 gigabytes, which helps when you forget a memory card. It's a small change, but one that adds real convenience. Combined with faster transfer speeds through USB-C 3.1, it means less waiting around and more time creating. The pricing is another area where DJI will have to strike a balance. The first Neo was considered affordable compared to higher-end DJI drones, and the Neo 2 will likely follow the same path. Most predictions put the starting price around $899 to $999, depending on the package. That positions it between entry-level drones and the premium Mavic series, making it attractive for both newcomers who want more power and professionals who want a reliable backup drone. Now, let's think about why the Neo 2 matters. The drone market is changing. More competitors are entering, but DJI still sets the tone. By pushing the Neo 2 forward with major upgrades in camera, flight time, safety, and intelligence, DJI is showing that it's not afraid to innovate. For creators, this drone is shaping up to be a perfect middle ground, affordable, portable, and powerful enough to deliver pro-quality results. Imagine this: you're out at sunset, flying over a coastline. The Neo 2 captures every detail, from the textures in the rocks to the subtle color shifts in the sky. The battery isn't running out as fast as before, the footage is sharper than ever, and you're not worried about hitting something because the obstacle avoidance is watching every move. That's the kind of experience DJI is aiming for, and it's exactly why so many people are excited. And here's something else worth thinking about. DJI doesn't just launch drones. They build ecosystems. The Neo 2 will likely integrate tightly with the DJI Fly app, offering new editing features, smoother live streaming, and direct integration with social platforms. For creators who want to shoot, edit, and post on the go, this makes the whole process seamless. DJI knows the modern creator workflow, and the Neo 2 seems built for it. Looking ahead, it's clear that the Neo 2 isn't just another drone. It's a signal of where drones are heading. Smaller, smarter, safer, and more powerful. It's a drone designed not just to fly but to make flying easier, more creative, and more fun. Whether you're new to drones or already experienced, the Neo 2 looks like a machine that will surprise you. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest in tech that actually matters. Don't forget to stay tuned for more deep dives into the gear that's shaping our future.